A sneeze can travel at 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. Bless you, and stay clear. Did you know hot water can freeze faster than cold water? It's called the Mpemba effect, and scientists are still figuring out why. Welcome back. If you thought that was all, think again. Did you know sneezing can stop your heart for a split second? Don't worry, it starts right back up. And here's a frosty fact. Certain frogs can survive being frozen solid in winter and thaw back to life in spring. Nature sure knows how to keep us on our toes, or should we say on our noses and toes.